You have to create the energy that you would like to receive. You have to send out what it is you would like to receive. Thought travels at 744 billion miles per second. As soon as you think it, it's 5 universes away and coming back at you. Now, what would you like to send out? I'd like to introduce you to my girlfriend. Some instrument called the medicine drum. And it's something I created to resonate frequencies that are in harmony with the earth, the heavens, and the stars. It resonates to a frequency of 432 hertz. That may be a little technical, but that is the sound of nature. It is in the resonance of the entire planet. It is nature. Most of the music that you hear does not resonate to nature. It fractures your energy. I don't care whose music it is. If it's tuned to the piano and the piano is tuned to those frequencies, you are not getting the best you could get out of that music. What we're going to do is we're going to start off by helping everybody get into the theta state. The theta state is a place in between sleeping and awake. That's where you can create everything. That is where meditation happens. How many people have gone to do meditation and nothing happened? You know, you're breathing, you're doing it, and nothing happened. It's because a lot of times we're thinking too much because we programmed the left side of our brains, or our left side of our brain was programmed, which is unnatural. We're not supposed to be thinking so much. We should be intuiting, intuition. This is where meditation happens. This is where life happens. This is where birth happens. So to start off, if it is okay with everybody, y'all look a little weird. Let me ask a few questions. Is it okay if I share information that you never heard before?
Yes.
Would it be okay if I talk about some things that are real serious and make them fun?
Yes.
Would it be okay if I get you a little upset?
Yes.
Would it be okay if I say things that you don't understand right now, but you might understand later on? Would that be okay?
Yes.
So look around the room and see who's here. Who's here? Look around. Do you know who's here? Look around. And look at somebody and say, I'm glad you're here. I see you. I see you better than you may see yourself. I remember you. I know you. I feel you. You're looking healthy, wealthy, and alive, and vibrant. I am. So we are. I am love, peace, harmony. I am. How y'all doing? So if you'd like to get the best out of this, I would not cross my legs because you're crossing off the vibration. Don't have anything in your hands. I wouldn't have anything electronic in my hand because I cannot be responsible for what happens when nature meets technology. Okay? Focus right now on something you desire to show up, something you choose to change, something you choose to shift. Focus on it. Something for yourself, by yourself, not for anybody else. This is for you. Focus on what it is you desire to change, to shift, to have manifest in your life. Focus on that now. And breathe deeply. Inhaling new life. Exhaling, releasing all that is no longer desired. Breathe. Be re-earthed. Breathe. Energizing. And release. We're going to clap together on the one. 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 Come on, y'all. One. One. We're coming together in oneness. One world. One people. One universe. One omniverse. Oneness. Togetherness. We're moving from I am to we are. One. One. We're going to say one. 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 Act like you feel it. Raise it up. One. Stand up. Get involved. Come on, stay with me. Push it out. One. 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 Give yourself a round of applause. The flower of life. Every shape, every numerical value, every symbol is in the flower of life. It's on the walls of the pyramids. It's in the womb. It's in every seed, every plant. That's the thumbprint, the fingerprint of the Creator. The flower of life. The flower of life. The flower of life. Same symbol. You've seen it everywhere. It's just broken down differently. Know that the flower creates the shift, creates new life, creates the flow. This shift is happening right now. The shift is happening everywhere. Can you feel it? 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 It's happening in all of us. It's not happening out there. It's happening in there, everywhere. You cannot divide yourself from the all. You can try in your mind, but there's only oneness in all. What will you do? What will you do with this newness, this new beginning that's happening right now in this room as we gather for the first time ever? This will never happen again. This project, this situation, this journey will never happen again. The breath you take now, you will never take again. This is it. There is no tomorrow. When they get there, they call it today. There's only now. Who are you? Think about that for a second. Who am I? You're the one the parents named whatever? Are you your relationships, your color, your religion, your belief, your job, your social group? Who are you? That's a good question, huh? Do you feel successful? How many people here feel successful? Hands go up kind of slow. Some people think about it. Am I successful? You made it here today. You still sitting here, you're successful. You're even successful at the things that you don't like to be successful with or about. What will it take for you to reach your goals? Have you asked this question? Do you know what it will take? Somebody said, what will it take? What will it take? Can you just spit it out the top of your mouth? And tell them exactly who I am, why I'm here, and what is my goal. See, that's truth. Truth takes trust. Trust is love. You got to be ready to speak. You got to be ready to express your power. See, that fifth chakra, power, refinement. Energy comes down from the cosmos, shoots through the top of your head through what they call the chimney, hits the pineal gland and all the glands of the head, comes down and it hits the throat, which is the transformer. It transforms cosmic energy into physical energy. And that energy pulses down through all the chakras and hits the great mother. She sends a pulse wave up through your legs, through your pelvis, which is a tuning fork, shoots that energy back up. It gets transformed into cosmic energy by the throat. You better be able to speak who you are. All this about holding your tongue, don't say that right now. If it's the truth, it need to be said. How many times have you lied in the name of love? Think about it. But we don't want to tell her that because she's sick right now. You're lying. Tell her the truth. Tell everybody the truth right now. You got to be bold and go where no man, they didn't say women, where no man. Look at this beautiful field. Isn't that beautiful? Who's in control of your life outcomes? Have you asked that? Who's in control of your life? How many folks you done blame? Blame the devil, blame my grandfather, my father wasn't there. My uncle's friend's brother's uncle's friend came over one time, and now I'm like this. Who taught you to live like that and think like that? Well, you don't take control and ownership of your life. Are you living in the winner's circle? These are interesting questions. You know, this all came to me today. And I was going to talk about something totally different. You know, then Dick Gregory popped up. He'd be in both my ears. My ear's still hot. Because, you know, if you have hair on your ear, after Dick Gregory finishes, it's like a fresh baby skin. And you don't know what to say. You can't even talk. He always says, B, sit down on the curb right here. Just sit down right here. Give me some of that stuff. What is that you got there? Let me drink that down. Boom! You don't even know what he said. You're almost unconscious. Then you're crying. Why are you crying, boy? This is an 82-year-old man, still holds, you know, track and field records. The first one to have a black health product national. Ran from San Francisco to New York. Try that one. Talking about what you could do. Run from New York to Frisco or back. Powerful people in the world right now, alive. Don't wait till they're gone. Oh, you're crying at the place and you got all kind of memorials and wreaths. People long speeches about what they did. And when I remember when he was a young boy. This is great stories. Why did we do this when he was alive? Honor people when they're here on the planet now. And there's a lot of them. But you got to be living in the winner's circle so you don't feel like you're losing nothing. Are you in the winner's circle? Huh? Are you truly spiritual? Do you even know what that means? People come to me all the time, Dr. B, oh my God, I'm so glad to finally meet you. I'm nervous. Oh, I just want you to know that I'm very spiritual. I stop. You what? I'm spiritual. I say, well, thank you. I got to go because I don't know what you're talking about. What do you mean you're spiritual? I don't know what you're talking about. What do you mean? You're spiritual. I'm not religious. I'm spiritual. If I ask you what that means, what does it mean? Somebody tell me what spiritual means. What's it mean? Don't take my stuff now. Those of you who've been in the classes before, keep your mouths closed. Especially you, Saladin. You ought to know better than that. You're the producer and the director. Y'all all right?
Yes.
What is this spiritual thing? If you're in your seat breathing, that's spiritual. Your blood is spiraling through your veins. Your whole body is crystals and spirals. The whole universe is a spiral. The moon is spiraling around the earth. It is not going around it, it is chasing it. As the earth is moving, the moon is falling into it, but when it gets there, it's gone. It's spiraling. The earth is spiraling around the sun. The sun is spiraling around what? Sirius. Sirius is spiraling around Vega. Vega is spiraling around Lyra, the word, the sound, the tone, the frequency, Hanabku, the energy that creates everything out of sound. You are living in an orchestra. You are a musician in the orchestra. Do you know your part? What song are you singing? Have you tuned up? Do you even know your part in the orchestra? To be spiritual is to know your part and to expand and be spiritual. A spiral is the only shape that can touch everything. It grows and expands. Spirituality means you're not the same. You change every day. You grow. You go meet your enemies. Go meet them. Look them in the eyes. Say, how you doing? I heard we was enemies. Sometimes you'll find out this will be your best friend because they don't even know you. The enemy was some stuff in you. That's why they call it the enemy. Where's your enemy at?